Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models and welcome to another upgrade video. Now this time we're upgrading something that's quite important to most people, my vision. My sight has been a problem. As you may be aware if you've watched any videos on the channel recently, I've just had cataracts sorted out, so my eye prescription has changed quite dramatically, and instead of being short-sighted with contact lenses now, I'm gonna have to upgrade to some proper glasses. So I've picked up some Ray-Ban Meta glasses, which are lovely. I've been using them as sunglasses. These are just the basic transitions lenses that go dark when it's sunny, and you can just use them indoors and things. But I can't read anything with them on because I can't see properly. So what I have done is contacted the lovely company Lensology, and they have sent me these, which are just lenses for said glasses, those transitions, which are the same light changing properties. And they've sent me these, which I've just received, and they are two lenses, one for each eye. So these are just the lenses. Obviously, I've already got the frames. So they just send you out the lenses, designed specifically for the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. And these are made to my prescription and my new prescription, which apparently I'm very slightly long-sighted now instead of being short-sighted. But mainly these are for looking at close things. They are varifocal lenses. So they've got a big chunk at the top where you can see distance, a little bit sort of in the middle where you can see screen distances, and a bit across the bottom for reading stuff. But there's none of the old bifocal stuff with lines and things. It just, you can see some sort of distortion through to the bench there. It sort of magnifies a bit as you get closer down the bottom. So that is what I have. They should be one for each eye. Let's check that one as well. There we go. Yep, there we have them. So I have a lens for each eye, and I need to fit them to these Meta frames. Now, to do that, apparently, is very simple. You just roll and pop them out. So let's try that and see what happens. You push from here, push forwards, always forwards, never out the back. I mean, they're sort of shaped, so let you do that anyway. Apparently, there may be some creaking and snapping noises, but that's to be expected. So I'm going to just put thumbs on there and push like that. I'm not liking it. Oh, there we go. Yep. And that has now come out from there. So that should be an exact duplicate of this, but with the added ability of being able to see stuff through it instead of being just a plain lens. This is the new slightly magnifying lens. So yeah, I shall pop the other one out in exactly the same way. It worked better closer to the nose bit. There we go. I can feel that going already. So yes, that was fairly easy to pop out. I'll keep those because you never know. But now I just need to pop these ones in. Now they go in from the front again. And you should pop them they say that top corner first. In there, and then it just pushes in. I can feel it sort of working its way around. I'm not too happy about that. I'm making sure that's actually in that corner first. Because if it's not in the corner, in the little groove, then it won't work. I'm not liking that one. Let me try the other side and see if it's just me. So pop it in, get it in that corner. And then it should. There's a little groove in the frames that it sort of pops into. I don't want to use a lot of force because it's a glass lens, but you have to use enough force to get it in place. There we go. That's feeling better. I might not have had the rotation quite right. But there we go. That is now in there and should be lovely. Let's do the other one then. Again, make sure I get the bit in the corner first. I'm feeling it. So these will become my everyday wear. And I'll be able to see stuff, and I'll be able to read stuff and see distances even better than I'm seeing at the moment. That's not liking that side. Don't know why that is. Maybe it's not quite rotated round right. Let's try that again. There we go. A little bit more rotation to that. Just that one corner's not liking it. I'm sure it's going to be fine, but I just want to make sure I get it in that groove properly. So yes, they seem to be a lovely company to deal with. They have given me a slight discount on these lenses because I'm making this video. So hopefully I'm not going to break it completely when I'm, making a video for them. So thank you very much to them for supplying the lenses so quickly as well. I only put the, there we go. I only put the order in beginning of this week. It is Saturday as I'm filming this, and I only ordered them on Monday. So they are very quick. And as far as I can see, by holding them up to my face, they seem to be working. Clean them up because I've got fingerprints all over them. But that is that. They are now in and looking like a nice pair of glasses. I shall put them on my face hole and we'll see what they look like on me and make sure I can actually see stuff. So here we are with my new look. I do have another pair of glasses coming for when these are charging and when I'm not using these, but I'm happy with these. The distance is lovely. I can see all the way across the room. The screen is even a bit sharper through the top of the lenses, but there is a sweet spot where I lift my head up just a little bit, then it comes even sharper, and that is fine. And close-up stuff, let me bring up my phone. Yeah, I'm going to have to get used to looking down at things like that rather than looking straight at them. But I'm pretty sure that will become second nature to just get the angle right to read things in no time at all. But that is that. I'm very, very happy with those. So, yeah, thank you once again to Lensology for providing these for me, and the very fast and quick, accurate service. The prescription seems to be spot on. I mean, that was the opticians that gave me the prescription, but you know what I mean. So thank you very much for that. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed this. I shall leave a link to the company below. They're fairly local to me. They're in Watford. So it didn't take them long to get them to me. They could have brought them around by bike. So thank you very much for them. And thank you very much for you for watching. If you want to pick some up, tell them I sent you. I don't get any kickback from it, but it's always nice to spread the word. And I shall see you on other streams wearing the new glasses. So thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.